Hair loss prevention and solutions, tips and tricks. The 10 most important points about hair loss are: 1. Hair loss is a common concern that can affect people of all backgrounds and ages. 2. The science behind hair loss is complex and involves factors such as genetics, hormones, aging, diet, medications, and lifestyle. 3. Medical interventions for hair loss should be approached with caution and realistic expectations. 4. Disruptions in the normal cycle of shedding and regrowth can lead to more extensive thinning or loss. 5. Inflammation and blockage in the hair follicles can contribute to certain hair loss conditions. 6. Hair growth and loss involve 3 stages: anagen, catagen, and telogen. 7. Hair loss can result from genetic or hormonal issues, medications, poor nutrition, autoimmune disease, or trauma. 8. Hair loss can be influenced by stress, which can disrupt the normal hair growth cycle. 9. Supplements and topical treatments can be helpful in promoting healthy hair growth and improving its texture and strength. 10. It is important to consult with a healthcare professional or trichologist before starting any supplements or treatments for hair loss.